over it.
They're playing.
They're gonna fight over it. Hey, look what I've got. Boys. Get him, Wizzy, get him. Look. Go get him.
What's Windsor got, Lucky?
Bring him here. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. I got it. Go get Wizzy. You missed it.
No, he got it.
You gonna take it to Daddy or me? Or are you gonna sit down?
I'm fat, Mommy. I need a breather.
Right, I understand. Here, Lucky. Lucky.
Lucky's got the one he wants.
Yeah. He's gonna tear it up.
Probably.
Stop, Lucky.
But that's okay, though. It's a toy. I don't mind him tearing it up. Besides, you act like we ain't got plenty more upstairs.
Good boy. Look, we can't get more.
Yeah, we can.
Like I said, Lucky can't get more.
Oh, okay.
You know where to get more.